In the world of artificial intelligence, a long-standing belief has dominated the industry. Developing cutting-edge large language models requires immense technical expertise and billions of dollars in funding. This belief was so deeply ingrained that the United States government pledged support for the $500 billion Stargate project, announced by President Donald Trump, to maintain its leadership in AI. But in January 2025, a Chinese AI development firm, DeepSeek, shattered this notion. With the release of its R1 large language model, DeepSeek proved that groundbreaking AI innovation could be achieved at a fraction of the cost and made freely available to the world. This is the story of DeepSeek R1, how it came to be, how it works, and how it has disrupted global markets, challenged US tech giants, and redefined the future of artificial intelligence. On January 20, 2025, DeepSeek unveiled its R1 model, an advanced reasoning AI that rivaled the capabilities of OpenAI's GPT models. What set DeepSeek apart was not just its technical prowess, but its open-source approach, allowing anyone to use and build upon its technology. Within days, the DeepSeek AI assistant, a mobile app featuring a chatbot interface, rocketed to the top of Apple's App Store, surpassing OpenAI's ChatGPT in downloads. This meteoric rise sent shockwaves through the tech world, triggering a stock market sell-off on January 27, 2025. Investors began questioning the valuations of US AI giants like Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta Platforms, and Oracle, as DeepSeek's low-cost, high-performance model disrupted the status quo. But what exactly is DeepSeek R1? And how did this relatively unknown Chinese startup rise to challenge the titans of Silicon Valley? To understand this, we need to go back to the beginning. DeepSeek, based in Hangzhou, was founded in late 2023 by Liang Wenfeng, a serial entrepreneur with a knack for combining emerging technologies and investment strategies. Liang, though little known outside China, has a rich history of innovation. In 2013, he co-founded Hangzhou Jacobi Investment Management, a firm that used AI to implement trading strategies. Over the years, he established 2 more companies focused on computer-directed investments, solidifying his reputation as a visionary in the tech and finance sectors. In a 2023 interview with Chinese media outlet Waves, Liang dismissed the idea that AI development was too costly or out of reach for startups. He explained, "Reproduction alone is relatively cheap. Based on public papers and open-source code, minimal training or fine-tuning suffices. Research, however, involves extensive experiments, comparisons, and higher computational and talent demands." Liang's motivation for entering AI? Simple curiosity. He hypothesized that human intelligence might be fundamentally rooted in language, suggesting that artificial general intelligence, or AGI, could emerge from large language models. As Liang put it, what you think of as thinking might actually be your brain-weaving language. This suggests that human-like AGI could potentially emerge from large language models. DeepSeek's journey began with its first open-source model in November 2023. Over the next year, the company iterated rapidly, releasing multiple versions of its large language models. But it was the January 2025 release of the R1 reasoning model that catapulted DeepSeek to global fame. The R1 model, built on DeepSeek v3, featured 671 billion parameters and a context length of 128,000 tokens. It was designed to compete directly with OpenAI's O1 model in performance while maintaining a significantly lower cost structure. DeepSeek's innovations in training methods such as reinforcement learning, reward engineering, and distillation allowed it to achieve these results with fewer resources. The release of DeepSeek R1 sent ripples through the US tech sector. On January 27, 2025, the Nasdaq Composite dropped by 3.4% at market opening, with Nvidia's stock plunging 17% and losing approximately $600 billion in market capitalization. Other tech giants like Microsoft and Alphabet also saw significant declines as investors reassessed the value of US AI investments. DeepSeek's success raised alarms for several reasons: cost disruption, DeepSeek developed the R1 model for less than $6 million, challenging the billion-dollar budgets of US firms. Technical achievement. Despite US restrictions on exporting high-performance AI chips to China, DeepSeek demonstrated that leading-edge AI development was still possible. Open-source model. Unlike OpenAI's proprietary approach, DeepSeek's open-source strategy threatened the revenue models of US companies charging for AI services. Geopolitical concerns. DeepSeek's rise challenged US technological dominance, with some comparing it to the Soviet Union's Sputnik moment in the 1950s. News alert. DeepSeek's rapid ascent hasn't been without challenges. On January 27, 2025, the company reported large-scale cyberattacks on its services, forcing it to temporarily limit new user registrations. Despite the attacks, DeepSeek maintained service for existing users and deployed a fix by the next day. Additionally, a security research team at Wiz Inc. discovered a publicly accessible database containing sensitive DeepSeek information, including chat histories and API keys. While the database was quickly taken offline, the incident highlighted the growing risks faced by AI companies in an increasingly competitive landscape. So does DeepSeek's success mean China is winning the AI race? Not necessarily. The field is evolving rapidly, and US companies like OpenAI are already preparing their next moves. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman acknowledged DeepSeek's achievements while reaffirming his company's commitment to advancing AI through greater computing power. As Rui Ma, founder of TechBuzz China, observed, the US should focus on boosting Silicon Valley instead of suppressing China. DeepSeek's rise shows that innovation thrives on competition and collaboration. DeepSeek R1 has undeniably changed the game. By proving that high-performance AI can be developed at a fraction of the cost and made freely available, DeepSeek has democratized access to cutting-edge technology. Its rise is a testament to the power of curiosity, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of progress. As the world watches this new chapter in the AI race unfold, one thing is clear: the future of artificial intelligence is no longer confined to the labs of Silicon Valley. It is a global endeavor, driven by visionaries from every corner of the world. DeepSeek R1 is not just a model, it's a movement. And its impact on global markets, the US tech sector, and the future of AI is only just beginning.